Thank you for joining me for this training webinar, Black Friday Countdown, Cashing In on the Holiday Frenzy. If you're new to this channel, my name is Kim, and I'm the founder of Brainy, an agency that helps novice course creators get their courses online and into the hands of their buyers. I recently reached out to my incredible email subscribers to ask what questions they had about running a Black Friday sale. So for the next 30 minutes, I'm going to spill the tea with some juicy tips and tactics for capitalizing on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, so you can get more eyeballs on your courses and increase your revenue. I want to help make this holiday season your most successful one yet. The weekend-long duration of Black Friday sales provides a welcome flexibility for shoppers. Those who miss out on Friday's deals now have the additional opportunities to secure their desired items at bargain prices throughout the weekend and all through Cyber Monday. Black Friday has transformed into a global cultural event, inspiring dedicated shoppers to queue for hours outside of stores, eager to be the first in line for coveted deals. It now stands as a day of worldwide retail excitement marked by a palpable buzz of anticipation. Consumers spent a whopping $9.12 billion on online purchases during Black Friday 2022. For context, a regular day in the US sees about 2 to 3 billion in online sales. Nearly half of those online sales were made using smartphones. Let's dive into the pros and cons of participating in these holiday promotions. On the positive side, you have the opportunity for increased sales, an expanded audience reach, and a substantial boost in revenue. And it's important to be aware of the challenges as well, such as margin pressure, intense competition, and the risk of overwhelming your audience with promotional emails. It all starts with crafting your offers. You need to decide which products you want to promote for Black Friday. You might want to start by listing everything you have to sell, all courses, bundles, digital products, etc. This is when you can start getting creative with your offerings. Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales don't have to only be discounts. Consider various offer types such as flash discounts on products, products you can bundle together, bonuses you can offer if a product is purchased during that weekend, or collaborating with other businesses. Discounts of 5 to 10% may not be compelling enough, so figure out what the best deal is you can offer, price-wise, for the BFCM promotion. This is also a time to think about upsells and downsells. There might be something smaller you can offer to get people in the door, such as an ebook. That ebook might normally sell for $47, but you drop the price to $17 for this weekend. And as soon as the visitor purchases that ebook, you can put a tripwire page with a time-limited offer of another product in front of them. To optimize your campaign's effectiveness, you need to consider several factors related to timing and duration. Your campaign's duration is a critical decision. You can choose to run promotions just on Black Friday, extend through Cyber Monday, or cover an even more extended period. A longer sale period can create anticipation and excitement, but it's essential to balance this with the risk of spreading resources too thin. The best approach will vary depending on your specific audience and product offerings, so it's crucial to strike the right balance. Ultimately, the goal is to maximize engagements, conversions, and revenue while ensuring that your audience remains engaged through the BFCM holiday. It's time to dive into crafting a robust marketing strategy for your BFCM campaign. How will you reach your audience this holiday season? Think about leveraging multiple channels: email marketing, SEO for your website, social media, and paid media tactics. Broadening your reach is crucial to attract both your existing audience and new prospects. Let's start with some tactics you can use on your website to promote your BFCM discounts, flash sales, or bundles. Before your sale starts, you could add a countdown timer to your website. This eye-catching pop-up will build excitement for your upcoming deals. Use this pop-up to grow your contact list too. Ask visitors to share their email to get early access to your Black Friday and Cyber Monday offers. Most people don't buy on their first visit, but if you have their email, you can send them special deals, product info, and reminders. This keeps your brand in their mind and keeps you in front of them. While we're on the topic of your website, you could create blog posts to provide more value, drive more organic traffic, and to collect email addresses of potential Black Friday customers. Want a quick way to come up with ideas and outlines for blog posts so that you can turn out more content quicker? I went to ChatGPT to ask it to come up with 10 blog post ideas around Black Friday I could write as a dog trainer, and within seconds, I had some great ideas that I could turn into blog posts. I have a Black Friday deals page on my website that stays up year round. Each year, I update it with Black Friday deals that I know my audience will love, including my own. Ready for a little online treasure hunt? Create a digital scavenger hunt on your website by hiding secret discount codes. Set up a pop-up to announce this exciting challenge to your visitors. Spread multiple codes across different pages of your site. Add extra excitement by making these codes redeemable only on a specific day, such as Black Friday. Start building your audience now for maximum BFCM reach. Grow your mailing list and social media following. Use giveaways, exclusive deals, and discount coupons. You want to create a buzz for your Black Friday sale. Tease deals on social media 2 to 3 weeks before. Direct traffic to your Black Friday landing page and blog, and encourage early sales and email signups. While you're building your list, make sure to place new subscribers in the appropriate customer segment or tag them as they're brought into your email list. Given the digital nature of modern holiday shopping and the sheer volume of email campaigns, developing a robust Black Friday Cyber Monday email strategy is crucial for your success. The first thing you'll need to do is plan your BFCM email schedule. And I would divide this into two parts: pre-weekend and during the weekend. The pre-BFCM period spans from about mid-October to the day before Black Friday. This time frame is crucial for building anticipation through teaser emails and potential early discounts or flash sales for your subscribers. To maximize impact, start hinting at your upcoming promotions early. This strategy keeps your subscribers alert and eager for your full promotional announcements. This email showcases an effective strategy for announcing an upcoming Black Friday sale. The discount is prominently displayed at the top, immediately catching the reader's attention. A quick, easily accessible link to the offers ensures that interested customers can effortlessly browse the deals. By clearly stating that it's the only sale of the year, the email creates a strong sense of FOMO, fear of missing out, emphasizing the event's exclusivity. The inclusion of an active countdown timer builds urgency, encouraging customers to act promptly. These combined elements work to grab attention, provide convenient access to deals, underscore the sale's uniqueness, and motivate quick action from potential buyers. Your Black Friday weekend emails need to be clever, eye-catching, intriguing, and valuable. And to ensure that your email list will interact with your campaigns, you need to send those emails at the right time and to the right people. You should be sending a number of emails on Black Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but don't overdo it or use all your best cards during the weekend, as Cyber Monday is right after Black Friday, and you'll likely be sending more emails with great deals that day. Once you've got your timing planned, it's time to write the copy and design the emails. Shoppers are all about seeing what you've got. So even though you're promoting a course, you can still use imagery to help transport them to how they'll feel once they achieve that outcome. Black Friday vibes usually rock the black and yellow, but why stop there? Toss in some jolly red or green or red and black to make your holiday emails pop. Keep it sleek and easy on the eyes. Craft visually pleasing, reader-friendly designs or use ready-made email templates. Remember to make your CTAs, your call to actions, stand out. You can use bright colors, clear fonts, actionable language, and make sure you place the CTAs above the fold in the email. Here are just a few CTAs that you could use for your courses and bundles. Email subject lines matter. It is a good idea to split A/B test your subject lines and see which ones lead to better results. Most email service providers give you this ability to split A/B test. Add in emojis and personalize with your subscribers' names to make your emails stand out in their inboxes. Interestingly, I looked at all of the Black Friday emails I received last year, and only a very small percentage of the ones I received used either my name or emojis in the subject line, and those were certainly the ones that stood out. When you're competing with many other businesses hoping to get the attention of your email subscribers, you need to be creative. Now, let's look at some promotional ideas. How about making your Black Friday sale a Facebook event? You can promote it to your current Facebook followers, ask them to share it with their friends, family, and colleagues, and promote it across Facebook. Be sure to add all the juicy details to the event and update your cover photo to reflect the promotion. It is a perfect time to harness the power of paid ad campaigns to capture the attention of eager deal seekers. Boost your sales potential by strategically deploying ads across multiple platforms. Begin your keyword research now to enhance your SEO and gain valuable insights into your audience's preferences and interests. To make your Black Friday promotion stand out in a crowded marketplace, create a custom holiday hashtag for your brand. This unique identifier will make it easy for your followers to discover and track your special deals throughout the shopping weekend. Use this custom hashtag consistently across all your Black Friday and Cyber Monday posts, creating a unified thread for your offers. However, don't rely solely on your custom tag. Incorporate trending BFCM hashtags as well to maximize your reach. As we approach the BFCM weekend, it's crucial to leverage technology to maximize your sales potential. One powerful tool to consider is implementing a live chat or chatbot on your website, even if it's just for this high traffic period. And please update your website. If your website is out of date or stagnant, it is time to get it updated. Pay particular attention to your homepage and your about page, as these are the two most visited pages on any website. You also want to ensure that your core sales pages are clear, have high converting copy, and strong call to actions. Make sure the flow of your website is smooth, easy to navigate, and doesn't confuse visitors. And do a website speed test. It takes a maximum of 3 seconds for a visitor to decide whether or not he or she will stay on your page looking through your content. So it's very important that your website loads quickly in order to keep them on the page. It's crucial to prepare your website or LMS for the anticipated surge in visitors during peak shopping periods. Your primary objective should be to streamline the purchasing process for your customers. A clunky or frustrating user experience can significantly hinder your sales potential. Focus on creating a seamless and user-friendly shopping journey that encourages rather than deters purchases. By prioritizing a smooth online experience, you remove potential barriers to sales and maximize your revenue opportunities during high traffic periods. Remember, a well-functioning website is key to capturing sales from both online browsers and in-store offerings. Now, if you want to make the planning and implementation of your Black Friday sale way easier, I have exactly what you need with our Black Friday template pack. From eye-catching social media graphics to high-converting landing pages, we have you covered. You can save countless hours of design and planning with these ready-to-use resources. Plus, learn how to build your own high-converting Black Friday sales page on your Thinkific site with our step-by-step guide. Dominate the holiday season and maximize your sales potential with this comprehensive toolkit, which includes a Black Friday sale preparation checklist. So this is a timeline of when to do what to prepare for your sale. Black Friday, Cyber Monday email templates, and these are 2 options. Social media graphic templates, Black Friday sales page with step-by-step guide on how to recreate it on your Thinkific site, a Black Friday affiliate swipe email template, an affiliate campaign brief template, a post BFCM performance analysis form so that you can make notes about what worked this year and what you're going to do differently next year. Just click on the link below to make your Black Friday sale the best one yet. I wish you an incredibly successful Black Friday Cyber Monday sale this year. See you on the next video.